Hey, this is Jessica with Food Foundation, and in this video, I'm going to share a version of a cocktail mixing the Greyhound and the Salty Dog and share which ingredients make it a healthier happy hour. There's so many different cocktails you can make using grapefruit juice. You can add vodka and grapefruit juice and have a Greyhound. You could add gin and grapefruit juice and have a gin and juice, or put a little salt on the rim and have a salty dog. Or you could add tequila and have what's known as a paloma. Actually, a true paloma, they use squirt, so it's like a grapefruit flavored soda. But when we're using grapefruit in our cocktails, we want to use the real fruit. Ruby Reds, an Oro Blanco, or a regular grapefruit, they're gonna have potassium and fiber and loads of vitamin C. The high amount of fiber and potassium are the reason that grapefruits are often added to low sugar diets and can be helpful with detoxification, especially if we were to grate a little bit of zest. The citrus pectin can actually help bind metals and help detox them from your body. A great addition. Finally, if you're making a salty dog and adding a little bit of salt on the rim of your drink, you want to use a sea salt or Himalayan pink salt or something that has actual minerals, not a table salt that just has high amounts of sodium and is not really good for your blood pressure. But sea salts, Himalayan pink salts, are full of all of the minerals that help bring electrolytes into your body and can actually help you from being dehydrated, which is often what happens when you're drinking cocktails. You can use all sorts of coarse salts or flake salts. Have fun with the sea salt that you're choosing. The cool thing is that salt is used often with bitter compounds like grapefruit because it makes the bitter less bitter and it makes the sour taste brighter and the sweet taste sweeter. So it's going to make your bitter Greyhound or Salty Dog sweet and delicious. So let's get to making that cocktail. Vodka and grapefruit juice reminds me of home, where I grew up in groves of citrus, and my mom and her friends would always use fresh grapefruits. So I'm going to use the simple juicer because I'm making a single cocktail, but you want all of that delicious pulp and flavor. The difference between a good Greyhound and a regular Greyhound is fresh grapefruit. I'm using the grapefruit to get the rim of the glass slightly damp so that I can dip it in my flaked sea salt. Fill your glass full of ice, and then you're going to pour in your vodka, gin, or tequila, whatever you chose. Now, because it's just a 2-ingredient cocktail, you don't have to worry about the chemistry that is so important in cocktails. Just pour to taste. Mix it and enjoy. For my combination today, I decided on a Grey Dog. Vodka from the Greyhound, a little bit of salt from the Salty Dog, and those ruby red grapefruits. The salt makes it just a little sweeter, a little bit more palatable, and delicious. If you like this video, hit the like button, and be sure to subscribe and tap the bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they're released. Cheers!